Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to one of your favorite channel. Yes, people, my family, one nation stands alone. What me say? One nation stands alone. Speak my mind, family, one nation family. You know, most of you might hear the drama, the bangarang, and the rumors that is going around since last night, which is Tuesday evening to Tuesday night to Wednesday morning, right? There is this big propaganda, this rumors them spreading. I may say rumors them spreading. Talk about a sense me planting. I be rumors of war. Rumors, man. You think me you not call up my name? You think me not feel you not thump it at me? If you don't hear something about me, why not confront me? Rumors them spreading. Who know the Greg Isaac and the Shabbat separately? Anyway, back to business. Yes, my people. There is a little thing that happened yesterday evening that has brought to my knowledge where social media is concerned. Where there's an incident that took place on Windward Road at the intersection of Mountain View, where it seems that a man has been dirt. Circumstances of how this man has been dirt, I don't know. You know, the rumors that this man is a reputed leader of a certain community of Mountain View. And from them say Mountain View, you know, them start mix a certain name. And me never know the certain name. Me never know say a she named Carrie Douglas, caretaker of the constituency and division. Me never know say a she named Julian Robinson, the caretaker, not the caretaker, the MP, the sitting MP, sitting member of parliament, who is the MP of the area, Julian Robinson. Me never know say a she named them two persons there. Me never know. And me worse never know say she operates certain things. But as me say, rumors them spreading. Talk about a sense me planting. Are just rumors of war. Are just rumors. Anyway, you don't know who me attack. So here what before me get into the video. You just go and do the do. Same time as you hit the video, you know. Hit the thumbs up. Remember to watch the ads. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel. I see a few of you as know. Subscribe. Again, the number of the four since Grandma Talk has gone up to about 8 or 9. Bless upon yourself who come along. Grandma sitting down waiting, but you don't make time around out because as me said she have 4 weeks. And she said she want 1 week out of the 4 weeks to rest. Not even the phone she not answer. You understand? So she have 3 weeks to give to you. I want to make 1 week at the middle of 1 week this. No, me not see it reach. But it never too late. It can reach in a day. All you have to do is hit the subscription. Hit the subscription over Life is a Mission TV. So once you know want Grandma go to some performance before she left back the country and start fly again, just hit the subscription over there. Life is a Mission TV. Well, people may just see it 1 bottle of juice and a patty for my breakfast. And that's a Tasties patty, that's it. No other patty to me than Tasties. Yes, people. I remember in the comment section you have Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Today is the new week. I do even check them channel from man to see if them did read. I want to give them the required 10 subscription that I asked them for that those 2 channels per week till them reach 1,000. I did not check. But today is a new week, so let's do it. Una do it. Go subscribe. Tamika Douglas, TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy. YouTube channels, yes. And call it a wholesale for free. Life is a Mission TV. 3 channels. Subscribe if you not subscribe it. Now cost you nothing, and a wholesale you not get them. Back to the story, people. Some of them might hear it already, some of them might not hear it yet. I want to know, once that woman done a town name call in a certain things, there's a lot of people who don't sit, listen, observe, get further details, try to put 1 and 1 together and see if you don't get 11 not 2, because you have to be 1 plus 1 to get 2. Before them come out, come chat. The amount of them me see who not caption things, attack verbally, you know, the bloggers them and a whole, the bloggers them are dealing as part of social media there, you know, that type of G-related things there, a social media like the My Views, the On The Spot medias, you know, them type of bloggers they were dealing as sitting there, surpy them. Some of them out there with it, but they are not saying directly. They are saying allegedly that this person and that person, whichever way they are close. But as me say, we know say a rumor them spreading. Talk about a sense we planting are just rumors of. So we not gonna pay them no mind. But me say these two worthless woman will live America for how long? I try play tricks on we. I try pretend as if, you know, they don't want to hear nothing of it. One come out, I tell people, don't send nothing in my phone, and that's a mix-up start. And I tell you, if somebody sends something in your phone, we wouldn't know when nobody sending in your phone. We wouldn't know what people send in your phone. So if somebody sends something in your phone, all you have to do, if you come denounce it, come on your platform and you say, listen people, I am asking you not to send anything in my phone. And especially these things that you send recently, you know what me I talk about. X, Y, Z, me don't want to send them there. You never did have to come out like you're smart, because this is all you stay. You always see like you're smarter than anybody else out here. And you speak about what they send in your phone. If you want to stay away from that argument and have nothing to do with it, or want to play no part in it, as me say, all you have to do is come out and say, listen, a 2-minute video or a 3-minute, just as you do with this, and say, boy, listen, I don't want you to send nothing in my phone, especially things like these. You don't know when me attack. So all of who send it to my phone, please don't send these things in my phone. XYZ, please and thanks, and you're done. You never have to come spell out where them send in your phone. But as something where you want to come out, you come talk about, because you want to put it out, but you want to put it out like you put it out indirectly. And that you do, you know. You try to put it out indirectly. You not put it out direct because you don't want nobody to come say yes, and you put it out direct. Yes, as me I say, you come out and go on like you're smart, like you put it out indirectly. You understand? Because you don't want nobody blame you, say, and you run with the narrative directly. Who smart are you? Hey, you don't have to go high school or college to smart, you know. That's the greatest thing in life. You don't have to go high school or college to smart. You don't have to have diploma for smart. You understand? You can do street smart. And right now, street smart are being education. Not saying education is not essential, don't get me wrong. And don't say, I say you're not supposed to have education. But right now, street smart are get the better of education. You understand? You look at most of these people who them are growing and say, most of them not have no great education. Most of them never go to high school, no college. But what? They're street smart. So them learn certain things on the street to get them through in a life. You know what, man, you see in a company have certain position, but all him have is documentation. Without me, that man there, that woman there, that woman there, the work can't done. And the work will never done. Because the man with the documentation was supposed to be the man who know it all. Can't do it. it's just documentation him have because him go a school or whatsoever and go get him documentation, but the actual work him can't do it. Try remember that. So now come out and come go on like you're smart. You are putting this out there directly. So nobody feel like we're gonna have it like indirectly you put it out because no, you come out here like you put it out indirectly. Or directly you put it out. People don't listen to you, girl. And then we're gonna move on to Curly. You understand? We're gonna move on to Curly. Listen to you, girl, yeah, so we can turn up the phone.
Mix up start. You tagging my name to some nonsense that's going on right now down a mountain view. Right? My business name at that. Somebody who none of brain scruples, I will come and read that and assume that I am interested in whatever it is that you tag my name in. Meanwhile, I'm oblivious to anything that's going on. Listen to me, lady. You were the same one who came in my life the other day and chastised me for defending myself against being trolled and being bullied. You instead defended the people or one of the persons who was guilty of pretty much cyberbullying me on social media, but I was defending myself. So why now would you tag my name in such mix-up posts? Why would you do that?
And after she do all that to you, why now? You would have come and, you know, highlighting what she have tagged your name into. You never have to come highlight what she tag your name into. You could have just come out here, blast her if you want blast her. Cause see it, you know directly who send it to you. Call her out. You understand? And then make a general statement, say, please, don't send nothing like this in my phone. You never have to come out here. You never have to come out here, come highlight. But that's what your intention is all about, to highlight it. So who never hear now, I gotta go in search of it. But you don't want to be the one to bring it out. You understand? But you want to be the one who highlight it so people can go elsewhere, go search for it. You're going like you're too smart. But you're not smart. You don't smart and you only pretend to be educated. Because if you were smart or educated, after so much years in business, would I see the elevation? Would I see your prosperity? Would I see a clear pathway where you go? But every step you step, the place dark. Even before you step, if you light the dead, like stadium, when you reach there, it just get dark. It's like you have some bad energy I walk with. So it just diffuse any lighting. I must make the place get dark. Because of too much bad energy where you have.
You notice how I keep myself to myself and I'm not in nobody. I stay to myself and I mind the business that pays me. So why tag me name to Dan post? Me not give a crap about no Dan in a mouth view. I have never spoken about any Dan on social media. I've never spoken about anybody's bedroom business or who was sleep with Dan. I don't care about those stuff. Honestly, I don't. I've never cared and I will not care now. So please, do me a favor. Don't tag my name in that foolishness there, hear me? Because
y'all want to look cute, you see? Me I show you something. Me I show no girl want to look cute. Look on the filter where she have on, because she want to look cute. I know makeup makes she look so, you know. Filter she have on. Filter. Girl I run down cuteness. Like how you buy and you buy chest. Go and go buy face too. You buy and you buy go and go buy a face too, man. Filter not gonna help you because you cannot walk with the filter. Like how you walk with the breath and you walk with the yeah. You can't walk with the filter in the natural environment. So you have to go buy a face. So when you're there on the phone, you want to have the face, yeah?
Before you know it, them take it and run with it. Meanwhile, I am oblivious
to that you put out now like you're smart.
It's because of people like you who caused that to happen. Don't tag my name in that foolishness. Thank you.
Well, you're going like you're too smart. So people I want to get the understand now when I try to say where this girl is concerned. She never have to come out, come talk about with the person, tag her in her. But then she just come and she denounce it and tell the person where she know who is the person. And say watch and I say nothing more than my WhatsApp or tag me for nothing else or whatsoever. And in general she make the speed. but she still want come out, come talk about it. So you know, I got here and say, what something I go on if you never hear what I go on? And boom, you're going to search on social media to see what I go on. And from you hit YouTube, almost every one of the bloggers them we deal with a part of social media where it come on to CRIME. All of them I tell you allegedly. Them here, the people them have put this woman name towards this, that, Taranat. So from them, she come out and she give the people them a heads up and say something now go on, and the people them decide to run go look, they go and see it right now hide. All of those channels will bring them type of something there. When me hear the news last time I go and look, as a matter of fact, somebody bring it, say, boy, me hear say Ray, one man, Ray out so, and the man them a mix up, me so she name the name in a hit and Ray. I don't know who me attack. Call fear name a call somewhere, say a fear this and that. So I know we are gonna hide when you come out and come tell who no know nothing about it. So it's just an indirect way you go on like you carry the message. You understand? Yes. We are making an ear master now because it's almost the same thing.
A tiny spot banana. She look like somebody have leprosy.
This is somebody where she a cuss come in and comment.
Miss Chink or crab louse about her up in a bed. Me not ask you. After me now look for murder in a mountain view, what am I have a long time in a year for you? What go on? Me need you to send a come give me. When a business with a murder, everybody will ask me what it means about murder in a mountain view. I am not interested in mountain view. Me not watch it. Me not know who name.
Something I want to know now. I want to in a mountain view them something they go on. Or from your here mountain view, I want somebody own mountain view. Mountain View is a place that have so much different communities adjoined to it, and everybody just call one Mountain View. So if me live right here some Mountain View and something happen down at the last end of Mountain View or the top of Mountain View, from you say Mountain View, to me probably be the poster girl or the poster boy of Mountain View. Me have something to do with it. It's all about me. Everything just tainted worse if it bad where me is concerned. Because me are the poster person of Mountain View. Okay. I never know how on the Mountain View alone people are get dirt. Right now, which part you there in America, people could all get dirt. Right now. I went. Yesterday I go up on my phone and I see somebody, I never saw some blogger, I see post it. Another Jamaican get dirt in Canada. And that's Canada. You understand? That's not Mountain View. That is not even a country where they say, boy, gifted for stuff like that. But at the same time, another Jamaican get dirt in Canada. And the weeks before, there is so much in America, even as you're speaking now, and as you were speaking on your life, it happened. So why, when it happened in Jamaica, or it happened in a particular place at Jamaica, where you have this poster person for that area, want to make it look like, okay, she's the MP or she's the caretaker, or she's the commanding person for everybody that lives on Mountain View. Did you know that a part of Mountain View can consider as aristocrat, what would I call, uptown people? Did you know that? So when you're not talking, I want to hear about paint Mountain View as this bad place, like it is the only bad place. Yes. It's a community we're known for stuff like that. From me I grew up, and as you know, I'm telling you, I'm 50-year old. Warwick Hill, Rockfort, you name it. The McGregor Gully, the GX Road. You name all those places. You understand? So this is not nothing new. But what? As me said, because the woman is the poster person for that place. Once the name the road they call, it's like a she will not call her name. On a tire to every little thing. We're concerned this. Why? Why want to make this woman look so powerful? And then when the woman come out and do what she have to do within the powers that she has, not the one with Unwa gear, where she have, where she knows that she can come out on her platform, call out to her donors, and her donors reach out, and it happen in an hour, 2 hour base span, the sum of cash. Uno go one side, uno sit down, uno chat different things. But uno remember say, uno, deep down in our awe. So basically, you know, make she look powerful for the wrong reasons. But for the good and the right reasons. You don't want she look powerful. Oh, are just the wrong reasons. Like that reason. That recently occurred. Okay.
Where's that Florida? Me not know about the people that send me all kind of thing I'm not interested. One must not believe me now. You know, so me not watch certain things. One must think I watch that woman and I keep it. Me not watch that woman. No, sir, from today I drop today. I even deceiving somebody that tell me saying here she say, her friend Carol, a bad girl from wherever. And I said a bad girl we call Carol a bad girl and she a boss so Carol a bad girl or whatever. And so here somebody tell me deceiving and I said, and I said, she said,
Sun glare, I get to me people, I'm going to change location. You're a liar, man. If you watch the woman in a country where a dog you out so much.
When money not run, war going to break out. When money is not running, war is going to break right out on it.
So what you are trying to say? A money cost all of this what happened yesterday when I run. I tell you, you see man, when you just come on social media come chat all kind of rubbish. What rubbish truck now run for no way? For that when them come, them see all uno and them classify uno as rubbish. Rubbish truck now run for no way. Me just want to ask. Because in any way you go, in a certain type of world, you don't know the type of world I'm talking about. Money always be the key factor we cause problem. One way or the other. It's either we in some dealings and one feel like say the money too much in me, so him take it and then things happen. Make him man me things to sell it and him now want to pay me. So anyway you take it, it's money. A man feel like you make money and you feel give him not playing a part in you making the money, you know. But him just feel like him feel get money cause probably him have done over you. Because him have done over you and you not give him it, or you send back face a message, you know what can be the outcome. So we all know in other type of world, money is always one of the key factors that cause certain things will happen. Not go come about it. Because if I disrespect, our money costs it. You understand? Yes, we know say boy a man cannot go on the road and it still costs my money because me feel like say me stay well in a life certain way and me have some little gathering around me where different me where say them have my back and way. It come down to money same way. It might not money. Actually when me step on your foot and a man diss me. But because you have money. You have them money around you. So the simplest thing is probably you who would have probably be the DON. Would have bypass and say, yeah man, respect man. Before you could have said respect, your followers them round you. Boom, bang. Hey boy, stop on the dance shoes. You idiot. So you not say the man desert. Oh hey boy. Boom. Before you could have said nothing. So it come down to money same way. Because if you never have money certain way and be who you is, you wouldn't have no bagger boy to follow you. You understand? And not be your personal security. So I don't know what you're talking about. Where?
It's going to break right out on it. But that me come here to talk about. Me come to talk about people who have any problem out there. And I just wait. I think
the darkness must comes up the light.
I know that you come to talk about, but you
Babylon, they
stress
will
it.
for killing about a place about and a buying and talk. That's all not that.
See, come back just like the tea girl a while ago. Somebody tag her in it and she come. I pretend like, you know, it's not put it out there. She make it look like her indirectly. You know, you come out, you have a talk about calling at night time. People for calling, share them problems with you. You not put out them number, you not put out them name, you not this. Yours not like that. Worse, me not know you this. You just a come and, you know, express yourself. Because everything when I see people do, no want to do. No can't do nothing for yourself. On the sound a big shot out here. And then go on like I own create and invent things. But anyway, in the same breath, I know that you come out here for. And after you say that, not even a second after, you gone back pan the topic, a stress pan the topic. So if I not eat, you come out here for, you say what you have to say because somebody bring it up in your comment. You know, don't chat now and lock your mouth and go on to where you come out here for do. No. The best thing is to stress it. Before you rest it, you stress it.
So what you have to do? We're not business with Mountain View, because we don't live in Mountain View, we live in America. Them stay there with their Mountain View problems. We are try do what we can do for survival. We pay we homeless bill.
May God bless your soul and you continue to live America. Go down America and stay America when you go down to.
Mountain View and whoever them view, them bread butter. Me need a vacation very soon. Me need to go on vacation in the coming year. Me take a vacation now. I'm overdue. From me know myself in America over 30 years. And the first me not going on vacation if you overdue. that is history. One way I will 3 times a year. I overpassed 2 years now, a year and a half.
That one I didn't choke. I couldn't swallow. I never try to swallow. I choke people. What should I say a while ago? I fuss in our life. The master me not tell you this long time, man. So how when me talk you go like a lie me I tell. When me say to you say, master, how long now you fly? God bless what day when time your friend pass away and you got Aruba. Cause your passport I beg for your flight. How long now your passport I beg? The big American passport I beg for some flight hours. And you come out, you come going like a lie me I tell. See you admit you now. I fuss in your life over here and had you no fly because you broke like a church louse, master. And all the free flight you used to get on private charity. You understand? I don't know who used to give some of them a hot and winter and summer. You understand? Yes. We used to give some of all the others. Even the same one you should talk about so highly were passed away in Aruba. All these money we used to borrow and you used to get free and charity flight and courtesy flight from friends and yes, it over master. And this is the reason why you can't fly no more. But yet still you come out, you come post on the Marriott. It not take no easy person. It not take no kaba. It not take no little flanke. They spend 5 months in the Marriott. But after spending 5 months in the Marriott, Marcia, we know it wasn't your money that you save and work hard for, Marcia. 95% of that money come from charity, Marcia. It's only that we only know about the $1,000 that the pastor give to you, Marcia. But the rest come from charity, Marcia. Even that same girl, Marcia, in Aruba. Yes, Marcia. Remember, Marcia. And all the rest of people, they will send you a little 100 here and a little 50 there. And what you get from your sister. That keep you into that hotel for 5 months. Because you say it, you know, it wasn't your plan to go there for 5 months. And reason being, the little chupans what you did have, couldn't have you in there for 5 months. You did probably work it out for 1 month. If so much. But when you see there is no other alternative and no other where to go, and you can't get caught asleep in your van, or you can't get caught feeling your van going up in the air because you park at the wrong place because you're not getting any proper rest at night time, and you end up drop asleep right where you're not supposed to drop asleep, Marcia. Yes, Marcia. And during you asleep, you feel live and lift up like it a go to heaven. And when you wake up a record tour your way because you park into a no parking zone on the highway, byway or sideway where you're not supposed to park. So you couldn't do much more than reach out to your friend in Aruba. Glad when pastor reach out to you and reach out to your sister. So Marcia, we know you're broke, Marcia. And that's why you can't fly. Because those good friends are not there no more. Remember what you do to Arthur Winter and Summer, you know? And she was one of your main source of you traveling.
Me not going away. That is like that is a models for me. So that is like a models for me. Know myself for the past 30 years straight. Me I travel. Me not traveling about 2 years now. Going away.
Why?
That is supposed that gone in the Guinness World Record. For somebody who's a traveler 3 times a year.
When I tell you say you're broke like a buckle, not even chow chows.
Christmas never miss me yet.
I never see when a chow spout broke yet, but me see when buckle broke.
I don't get till August. I go back December and go back March.
People must say I beg on a trip. Probably I just so she get at when she do the next live. She begging a summer trip, people to reach out.
As me get my little money, so I was going to go travel, but then the little situation coming in the winter.
Little, big situation, more little situation. Big,
I was going to Dubai.
big like the parish of Chilani. So I never Israeli did plan to go again at Dubai. I so much place he did plan to go, Marcia. Because no Israeli they talk about trip of Israel with this group and sitting. Or they change to the little sitting they broke out down there. About Dubai. Who you to? The way you talk, even in this video, the way you talk about money and you have more money and better off than people. You should have if you can just take up your card and just book a ticket and fly for even 2 weeks. Everybody see how broke you're using a phone and you come out here and talk about you have money and better off than people. How can you be better off than people when you're not seeing? You don't know. You don't know them wealth. You don't know how them a live. You don't see how them a live. But people can see you how you are live. Because you bring your levity and lifestyle out here in social media. Because you want people to pity you. You want people to sorry for you. So when you show your lifestyle and you're living out here, you will have your followers who want to reach out to them like a tuppence earpenny. Not in a big way. Because none of them now reach out to you in a big way. Because 95% of them actually in the same boat like you. It's only that they might have on the sitting where you can, what you call it? The life jacket. So if the boat turn over, them have a little chance. But you don't have on no life jacket. So if the boat turn over, god damn, dog eat your supper. That's the only better off than you. Them in the boat in a life jacket. But the life jacket run out upon you. So you have to go depend upon your belly now to save you. So you try to stop your breath to keep afloat, you know? So them now have not much to send come give you, Marcia. But that is the reason why you put your business out here. There's a lot of other platforms all out here have business. Because remember this, you know, this is life, you know, and this is natural life, you know. Even the rich have problem, you know. Even the rich have them problem. But it's how you handle your problem. It's how you dealt with your problem. It's how you prepare to deal with your problem. It's what measures you put in place to deal with your problem when your problem comes around. You did not put no measures in place for times like this. Because you never seen like anytime soon there will be any times like this, Marcia. So you never put nothing in place. As you get it, you name it. As you get it, you sport it. Right now you are depending on CD. You understand? And you're talking about what you have in your CD, enough of them not have it. If CD is a, what do you call it now? A mandatory savings, like how you have NIS and then something in Jamaica. You're not supposed to have much in a no CD because you never put in much where work is concerned. You understand? You never do no work, have no great compulsory savings of such. But you come out here talking about CD and that is what you're depending on. and say you're better off than people, because if you pull your CD now you can't buy a house, or you can't do this, or you can't do that. Pull CD and buy what kind of house? Eh? Go see the little 2.8 penny where you have in your CD. And there is so many people in social media where you might have show your word pan subscribers of most of us channel, like my channel and other people channel, who support this side of the place and stuff. You know, you might have show your word pan who's so much better off than you. Because them not only have CD, them have dub plate, them have thumb drive, them have hard drive, and them have big bank account with savings. Do you understand what I say to you? But you want to come and talk about CD. You know, long CD out of style. I broke people, so I broke up them and dash them because them scratch too much. And that's all your sound. Scratch. Come out here every day with the same argument every day. Same bragging and same boasting when I put you in a way. So if you have so much money in the CD where you can't pull it, why not pull it instead of living like a fly pitching and shh? Why not pull your CD money to take yourself out this predicament what you are in? This embarrassment for a big superstar on social media, big deal. Pull your CD and take yourself out the mess. And then go recuperate and start do some other savings. You understand? And build back yourself. But you boast on something what is not there. Or if it is even there, God bless what is there. Can't do much help to you and the position where you're in right now. It is like a man who have a house. The 2 pieces of fascia board are rotten. You understand what I say to you? Him see it, him not change it. And then it lead right round and rotten everything. Or I should use a motor vehicle then, for instance. Him CV giant a go. And him not change the CV giant. Where it's easier and cheaper to change than if you go out a road and head to all the country way out of bound from your yard. And you see CV giant jump out. Is either the car and you go sleep same place, or you're going to have to call a record to carry that car home. How much thousands of dollars more it go cost you? While if you just fix a CV giant, it will not cost you so much money for record to carry it from country come in. And when I say, if you carry a car right now from Linstead to come at Kingston, so, the minimum is 35,000 per record. So judge, if you brought down all the Montego BR Trelawney, and you can take less than 10,000 out of that and buy a CV giant and pay a mechanic to put it on. So you check the difference, do the maths. So it's like you, Marcia, all you have to do is pull your CD and stop going on this agony and pain and discomfort where you are going under. Of the life where you are living and show it in a social media because of content. And then we as vloggers and bloggers and saggers and taggers come out here and talk about what you shows us. We never come and knock on your door, come, and you open, and we force come in. You let we in, and we look, we observe, and we see. And we come back and feel like talk, and we talk. So why you want to beat us down? For what you come out here and show us and we talk about. We might just put our little twist to it and little drama to it. But you are the one who expose yourself. You understand? I know we come fast by your business. You coming like some people, them walk every day. Some little young girl, man, drag them here, drag them all about. Push them in a car, all about, go with them tomorrow morning, them come, them see you, them a beg you a cup of tea. And when you tell them about what happened, go on, stop, watch me, yeah, watch me. Go on, yeah, watch me, crap. Go on. And that day after you watch me. Oh, me fear watch you. Me stand up on the corner where the car come pull up, take you up, go away with you. The man drag you because you never want to go. But the man have the powers over you, so him drag you, should be in him car, carry you away, carry you back the next morning, frat up on your stomach, your mouth corner white. You understand? And me know, we see all that you come and beg a cup of tea and a breakfast. And me tell you when me see, and you say me I watch you, you say me I watch you. Oh, me fear do it and in front of me. Me now watch you. Me never come fast and in front of me everything unfold. So oh, you say me I watch you. I see me see you. Me now watch you. Watch you when me come peep. Me never push your door and come look. So I'm answer this. Anyway, me could get back to work because we are come to the end of the video, you know.
No, for me and the resident in, I have to use the money and buy it. Then my taxes come and I said I was gonna go somewhere. Me have to use that money, cause you know me never stubborn already. Me not stay with nobody. But if me never stay with, if me didn't come out, if me not stay with relative, the amount of $1,000 when me have for me, me coulda go anywhere.
Hey, I thought this already, you know. I'm just say it a while ago too. Hear her? She's stubborn already. But we know she can't go our sister them place because our sister them known her to be the person she is. And she go want to go there with it. Because if she there saw the people them work and she can't do away from them on live and them something up to what they should nearly expose her client. You understand? Our patient or whatsoever it want to be. Because she depend on the live and distracted and now realize the camera actually. You understand? So me I say, you think your sister them would really want to take you off of them place and knowing the person you is? You say them are Christian people. Them not gonna want you at them place. So you can't go there. But me telling the people, say there's many days and many nights when Marcy are not active. Give thanks to the live. You know, that keep our head not thinking about all this. That happened in the back end of last year leading up to this year. There's many nights before Marcy go to bed and when she wake and when she are alone. Marcia put her hand on her jaw like this. And I reflect back on the money where she's spending at the Marriott where she boasts about like, oh, I was so comfortable. Yes. Yes, it was a well spent 4, 5, 6,000 US dollars. Yes, I'm so comfortable. No, that she do. She think on it and said, Jesus, please. A 5, 6, 7,000 US dollars that we spend over the 3, 4, 5 months right now, that do me well. Oh, and she just a reminisce on it, so it could have do this, it could have do that, it could have do. You understand? If your sister offer you somewhere as well you say, why you never put your pride aside, Rena Joe? Yes man, and the place hot and the place not dark, you know. This morning I wake up, the whole of going back to Portmore side, St. Thomas black, but Red Hill side never that black. And see the sky pretty and now sun at and Rena Joe. Father God works. You hear Marcia? This is Father God where I work right here so now. Not man. Man can't do this. Man can't shine moon. Man can't shine sun. Man can't make rain a fall when sun a shine. And man can't make day turn in a night. And night turn in a day. It must be somebody who is more powerful than that. And it is the God that we all born and grow to know about. So all who no want to believe, stay there no believe. But as Amalek on up on a finger on the ball, oh Jesus Christ. Who is Jesus Christ? There wasn't no Jesus Christ before the hammer hit you on your finger. So all of a sudden now the hammer hit you on your finger, Jesus Christ. Belly start at you. Lord God, me I beg you, make my belly stop. Who is God? There wasn't no God before your belly at you. All of a sudden there is God. So nobody can do it better than him. So when you feel like someone can come out here and try to bring down people, fabricate and all kind of signals, when you hear something, when you jump on it and start ridicule people, pin people name to it, tag people name to it. You understand? Or when people don't know nothing where I go and even know the person we're involved.
3 times. But those money were spent to take care of my important needs. And I don't regret it.
So you hopeless make you not regret it, or you just a talk because I talk sake. Boy, you not regret.
How long you got Jamaica? Almost over 30 years.
You left the Marriott. Why? Then again, watch it now. Oh, you finna regret it. Oh, it is okay. People in a life, me I live big life up here, son. When me get up every day, me name oxtail, me name the biggest of fish, lobster. You name the biggest of meat where you can think of and the biggest of food. And I up here some of all the days. And find myself down here so now. All they can find tin mackerel chicken back. I walk a beg food. What kind of life that? That me I go say, me no regret the one I made I live before. Me have to regret the one I made I live before. You know why me have to regret it? As me say, I put me on the job, I say, Jesus Christ, and my money I spend all along there, so I could have saved some, because there are bad times that hit me in a life right now. I could have see little of money there and spend it little and pick it, you know. and give myself more time to recuperate. But what? All of them the Monday spending on one splash, one dash. As my grandmother used to say, feasting today and famine tomorrow. Why? Why? Me know me have one money to the Sunday. Today not Sunday, people. Today are Wednesday. But me I use Sunday because you don't know if a man not cook Monday to Saturday, a man always try if you want to cook Sunday. Me have one money to the Sunday now. And me I cook 3 meat, me I cook oxtail, me I cook fish, me I cook mutton, 3 top of the line meat, that you know. And tomorrow, after done cook, me not have $1 for tomorrow. Me not have $1 for Tuesday. Me not have $1 for Wednesday. Alright, so you cook Sunday. Can't go for Sunday, Monday as Jamaican always do. But come Tuesday, yeah, hope for something happen. Come Wednesday, yeah, hope for something happen where you can have money for cook Tuesday, Wednesday. When you already have cash physically in your position. Where you go take and cook 3 meat, pork, oxtail, fish, or curry goat whatsoever. You could have saved part of that Monday and know say you don't have this already in your hand. So this is for Tuesday. If when Tuesday come and you find something else, you know say alright, this is for Wednesday. But you spend off everything what you have in your hand, where you look upon and live off of hopes and dreams for Tuesday, for workout. All of you dead for hungry. Hungry for fix on a man. Yeah man, hungry for fix on a man. After I eat the Sunday, Monday, you're not supposed to get nothing more for eat. So Amma say this now, she alright with the Marriott and she's boast about it. But now look how she live like a fly from she left the Marriott. From she left the Marriott, what kind of good life she live? She go in one place and them call the Loft. Actually, I can't show no Josie Whale house because the coconut tree and sit there, so I show no Josie Whale house over there. So. The big artist Josie Whale, yeah, the long time artist, I would have shown him also over there, so. And show no the Loft where she would have probably called Loft and something like that, where she did live in her. You understand what I said to you? Yes, where she did live in and call the Loft. And claim to say it's a gated community. And from the Loft to somewhere where it's a 20-story building, where the landlord come and tell us that it's just a two-story building. And she says a 20-story building and she walk the red carpet. When we see with the naked eye, so she only make one step, pull a door, which is a main door, and then the fear room door is like face to the main door. She never make a left turn or a right turn. Straight in front the main door and she go in. And no, me not see no step up. At least when they did that, they laugh and talk about upstairs. At least me did see a little one step, which that not upstairs. That is just a step up. At least me did see that. But yes, so where you walking, no step up, no there. Away from when you go into the main entrance and the landlord come expose you. You understand? And this so you end up for 3 weeks. Till you hear say you get the job and you hear say a free room there where you can live in. You gravitate to it quick and fast. You understand? You don't want to live with nobody. You don't want to live with your sister. But you want to live with your patient. Eh? And if you want to have your patient, I trick you want to trick your patient to put pen to paper for you. Eh? Because if you don't want to live with your sister and you don't want to live with nobody, because the person is his, you want to have your own way, but you want to live with your patient. You want to have half your patient, or you want to trick your patient to sign things over to you. Or that you want to bring to your patient behind closed door when night come, when them kids are not there. Eh? Because I can't understand. Your sister offer you a place to stay for at least 2 months or 3 months. Free of cost. No rent, no light, no bills. That you can use that money that you have also during that period of time to help and get yourself back on your foot. Maybe I'm not going to play no more after I'm done this. That you can help to get yourself back off on your foot. And you refuse that. To go to the Marriott and spend how much? Hundreds of dollars where you don't have. But you spend it through the help of charity. You understand? And then after you left the Marriott now, when things water down and now come good, you have to end up left the Marriott now and start bounce around. Like, you know, when them kids in the bounce about. Yes. and end up now live with your patient. Tell me which part of that makes sense. Out of you go live with your sister people who have big nice house where you talk about. Wanna come talk to me. Wanna come out every day on a brag. Who know me attack? So your sister have big nice house. And you need somewhere to live because you're running out difficulties. Financial difficulties. You're running out house difficulties because of reading against your name with eviction and you can't get no referent. And nobody now sublease nothing. Nobody now put them name to nothing for you because you done tainted their name already. You understand? So nobody now run risk with them credit and them name. And you end up in that position and your sister offer you that. And do not take it. Uno me attack. Not take it. But you not gonna live with patient. It makes sense? Me no see it makes sense. Not even 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, no cent. It no make no sense. So all these things, Marcia, when we sum up all these things, you want to prove to us that you are some form of person where, you know? Because when you can have the audacity to come out here on a platform which is a worldwide platform, it's not a private platform, a worldwide platform, and tell the audience whether them support you or support you not, what you are telling them, and they can see that there is different thing from what you are telling them that is going on. You come out here and you tell them today, say you cut down the tree. You see the tree, I normally sit down and I take do my video them behind that tree around there, so yes. You know, so I cut it down yesterday. Yeah man, me there underneath and one man go drop in and me nearly mash up all my phone and I just cut it down. Talking that, you know, people. You know, say one just drop a while ago and drop right on my leg. Right now my legs feel tough. Yeah man, because although I have 50 a day old in my tender body, you know. As you lick my skin wheel up and swell up. Yes man, well taken care of from me young. You know? Yes man, and treat myself right. Yeah man, that's why I know good things, you know? But I'm glad I never lick the phone, because I lick the phone despite the phone have, well, the case now, they pan it right now, the holder, but the screen protector, they pan it, so it will protect the screen, but probably the back would have damaged. But anyway, you come and you tell people, say the tree, you cut it down where you see there behind a video, in your background, you cut it down because a man go drop and lick in your head, and you now make no more drop in your head. But tomorrow morning, you're at the same spot. Because there's other place can be identified. You understand? Because see mango tree there, I eat your cut down. But we still see that tree there, so and we see that one right here, so. So we can identify say, at the same spot there now. But when we look, we still see the mango tree right there, so see it there? But here see they tell you say you cut it down. So you see something wrong with you up here, so? Because you're going to tell we something where I go identify in a phone when you do the next live or 3 more live down the line. So where did come tell we, say, so it go. And you still come out and come tell me. Something wrong with your Marcia. I feel like financial strain I take a toll on your mind and your brain, and it will lead you into depression. Yes, it's leading you into depression. Anyway, speak my mind people, as I say, them go on like say the woman out of East, as she named Carrie Douglas, the caretaker of the division, or she's Julian Robinson, the MP, sitting member of parliament, who makes legislation in Garden House, where the country is concerned. Yeah, the woman is that person. So everything when name happen at Mountain View, or with nobody at Mountain View, because she is the poster person for Mountain View, her name drag into it, assigned to it, and tag into it. Look where them a try mix the woman name in now. Wanna tell me? Eh? Just look where them a try mix the woman name in now. But wanna come out. Wanna come out. Come drive one more nail in now on a coffin. Come out. We are waiting for you to come out. Allegation, defamation of character. Come out, wanna come out. And one more nail that in on a coffin. So wanna come out, come chat on your face. Cause it a hurt to no. Not on your mouth, on your face. Speak my mind people. Thanks for watching again. I come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself, all my viewers, my subscribers, and my real supporters. Because I still have to big up the people who are subscribing, because I still play a part. I have to big up the people who still have view, because I still play a part. But as I say over here, I really want to fan. Enough tree in the environment. If in the house at with the fan. And if I want AC, I go down at the next yard. Rubbish truck arrive the right time, my people. So bless up on yourself, support our set. Big up, all on the same way. Big up. When you know what to do, like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads, continue to support both of my channel. Life is a Mission TV, Speak Mind Entertainment. And remember Tamika Douglas, down in the comment section, Life with Gabby and Chevy, also down there. Give them a subscription. Rubbish truck time. I'm out.